case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A Tennessee Supreme Court case, Miller v. Willbanks, in 1999 called into question the requirement for expert proof in cases of intentional infliction of emotional distress. The lawsuit originated from an emotionally harrowing situation faced by a mother, Elizabeth Miller. Following the birth of her daughter, Heather, at Morristown Hamblin Hospital, Heather was quickly diagnosed with drug withdrawal syndrome. The diagnosis, made without thorough testing or any discussion with Elizabeth, resulted in severe emotional turmoil for the family. In response, Elizabeth filed a lawsuit against the hospital, alleging intentional infliction of emotional distress. With the integrity of medical practice on one side and the emotional well-being of a family on the other, the tense legal battle played out in the trial court. The court eventually sided with the defendants, concluding that Elizabeth's case lacked the expert medical or scientific proof necessary to claim severe mental injury. This decision was later confirmed by the Court of Appeals, thus leading to an appeal in the Tennessee Supreme Court. The Supreme Court took a markedly different stance as it considered the case. In an important decision, it marked a deviation from previous rulings, which required expert testimony to prove emotional distress. The court indicated that such proof was not obligatory for emotional distress claims, but only necessary for claims of permanent personal injuries. However, determining the credibility of proof was left to the discretion of the fact finder or trier. Contradicting the earlier rulings, the Tennessee Supreme Court reversed the decision of the lower courts. The justices demanded reconsideration of the evidence in favor of the plaintiff, ignoring contradictory data. Consequently, the case was remanded back to the trial court for further proceedings. This ruling set a precedent that claims of serious mental injury in cases of intentional infliction of emotional distress do not necessarily rely on expert testimony.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.